Hey, this is my video presentation for the class diagram which comes inside a UML diagram. Now, why do we need a class diagram? It's a static diagram, it's not dynamic. Dynamic means as per the activities change, uh, the interactions with the actors or the main components, they keep on changing. But here basically it's a static diagram. Then a class model captures the static structure of a system by characterizing the objects in the system. Now here what's the purpose is analysis and design of the static view of an application. It's mainly used for the static representation of any scenario. My object is to represent the library system management in the form of a class diagram. Now when to use a class diagram? It's mainly useful for forward and reverse engineering when we have to produce some codes. In reverse engineering we can use class diagrams very easily because they are mostly not dynamic. They mostly come into a category of static. The components that I have used in my diagram are the class. It's an entity uh, of the class diagram. It describes a group of objects with same properties and behavior. Then comes the link, in which a single line represents the link between two objects. Then the association, with a description of links, many links with common structure. Then comes multiplicity. Association class is like you are associating more classes with the main class. Cardinality, it describes the count of the elements from collection. Cardinality means, the word itself means count. Ordering, bag, sequence, qualified association. Enumeration, generalization. Now generalization organizes classes by their superclasses and subclasses relationship. Aggregation, it's a strong form of association which is aggregate object made up of aggregate object and its constituent parts. Abstract class, concrete class. The major difference between this is abstract class has no direct instances, whereas concrete class has direct instances. Package, it's a group of elements with a common theme. Now I'm going to show my library management system, how I made it through class diagram. I've given here books and I have inherited two general book and reference book which inherits the properties of the books. I've given the objects and its properties. Objects like book name, the author name, price and its status. Then its properties like the add new book, delete book, update book, search book. It goes to the it can inherit librarian. It associates directly with librarian, which directly associates with publisher. User can uh, direct the books, so there's an association or a link between books and the user as well. Now student and the faculty are both inherited objects of the user, in which it inherits its properties respectively from the user. Issue book, return book and pay fine, and all three operations can be inherited by student and the faculty. So this was my presentation for the class diagram for library management system. Thank you.